Hello aspirants, welcome back to our channel. Our channel is specially for WBCS and UPSC aspirants. In today's video, we are going to talk about Indian polity, and today's topic is Panchayati Raj system. So first of all, we need to know about Panchayati Raj system. What is Panchayati Raj system? It is a form of local self-government. There are two types of local self-government. One is Panchayat and second is municipality. So Panchayat is in villages and municipalities is in towns or cities like that. So we need to know about the articles, about the historical background and so on. And obviously we need to learn about some committees about Panchayati Raj system. So first of all, we need to know about Article 40. Article 40 is in DPSP. DPSP is not enforceable by law, and we need to know about the village panchayat in Article 40 and the Article 243 to 243O, and that is after the 73rd Amendment Act of 1992. So first of all, we need to know about the committees. What committees are involved for Panchayati Raj system? The first committee is Balwant Rai Mehta Committee, and it is in 1957, and it submitted its report in 1957 November. So what did it say? What is the recommendations of this committee? Of course, we need to know elaborately about these committees and so on, but today's video we are going to talk about some layered things, some basic things about Panchayati Raj system. So we need to know about the years, about the committees, and we need to know about some facts that is very important for the prelims. Okay. So we are going to talk about 6 committees. First, Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. The year is 1957. Second, Ashok Mehta Committee. The year is 1977. Third, GVK Rao Committee. The year is 1985. And fourth, the committee is L.M. Singhvi Committee. The year is 1986. After that, we know 2 more committees. One is Thangan Committee in 1988 and Gadgil Committee 1988 as well. So that is the basic parts of these committees, and we need to know about the committees. We need to know about elaborate things. Next video we will talk about that. In today's video, just we are covering the basic parts. Okay. First of all, we need to know which state first adopted the Panchayati Raj system. That is very important topic, and that is we need to know about it. First of all, the state is Rajasthan, the district is Nagaur district, and the time is October 2nd, 1959. So the Balwant Rai Mehta Committee submitted its report in 1957, and in 1959, or like after 2 years, we got our first state and first district to adopt Panchayati Raj system. Rajasthan adopted it first, and it adopted the 3-tier system. What is a 3-tier system? First, in the grassroots level, there are village panchayats, and next level, like intermediate level, the level is for the blocks, and that is Panchayat Samiti, and the third is in the district level, that is the Zila Parishad, right? So the 3-tier system is adopted by Rajasthan, but it's not necessary that every state adopted that. Okay. Balwant Rai Mehta Committee recommended some ideas, some functions, but government only recommended the pattern of it. Government did not say any rigid part about it, but it comprises some recommendations from this committee. Then there are some committees like Ashok Mehta Committee, Gadgil Committee and all. We need to know about the year, about the committees. Next, we need to know about the states, the districts consequently. First Rajasthan, second Andhra Pradesh, third Bihar and fourth is Gujarat. Okay, so that is the consecutive states who adopted the Panchayati Raj system. So basically this is it. This is a very small video about Panchayati Raj system, about the layered things, about the basic parts. So that first of all we are summing up Article 40, it is in DPSP. It's about the village panchayats, but it's not enforceable. Second, Article 243 to 243O, that is after 73rd Amendment Act of 1992, and it comprises Part 9, Schedule 11, and for that we need to know about 29 functional items for Panchayati Raj system. And we need to know about the committees, 6 committees. First is Balwant Rai Mehta Committee, 1957. Second is Ashok Mehta Committee, 1977. Third is G.V.K. Rao Committee, 1985. Fourth is L.M. Singhvi Committee, 1986. Fifth is Thangan Committee, 1988. And last is Gadgil Committee, 1988 as well. Okay. So this is the gist of the Panchayati Raj. That is important, and I hope you all like it. If you like it, then do like it and do comment, subscribe it. Thank you for watching.